Hey subbies, this is Mamita Nails coming to you guys today with a very quick video. This is about my March nail art swap. Today is March 13th. The due date was March 12th. I only received 3 of the swaps and I already did a video. I'm not sure if anybody sent it. I have one subby that said they sent it. I still haven't received it. So what I'm gonna do, you guys, is by this Saturday, if I don't receive anything else, I'm going to send everything out Monday morning. Also, what I wanted to go and run this by is that due to I have only 3 swaps. I'm gonna show you guys. I have only 3 swaps. Okay, it's basically all the same nail art. Okay, so what I'm going to do, due to I don't want you guys to have double or all 5 the same of someone else, due to it's only 3. I'm going to set in some of my nail art just to balance out, you guys, and maybe you get 2 of someone else's nail art, and then definitely you're going to get, you know, my nail art, different nail art, just to balance it out, you guys. And I'm not sure what happened with this swap, so I'm thinking of not doing no more swaps, just due to this swap, it didn't go as well as I thought it would be. So what I'm going to do is that when I start swapping them out, you might have 2 the same. For example, Miss D, you might have 2 of Melissa's, and maybe 2 PR Clan mix, Love D, IY, and then the rest is my mixes. Cause I'm gonna add a whole bunch of nail art, you guys, to everybody's, just because it's not fair. So I'm just running that by you guys, just because you might have 2 of the same baggies of the person, due to it's only 3 people that I have received. So this Saturday, if I do not receive anybody else's, I am going to send everybody that send theirs in nail art of mine, so it could balance it out. My swaps will not usually end up like this, so I just want to say sorry, and letting you guys know that some of you will have, well, all 3 of you guys might have double of someone else's, but definitely I'm going to add a whole bunch of goodies in there, just because it's just not fair. So just wanted to let you guys know, and this Saturday is the deadline. I gave it a couple more days, so see you. I'm not sure I might do another swap just due to this outcome, but for right now, just wanted to let you guys know, the girls that have sent in, you might have double, but definitely I'm going to send in my nail art, different nail art, to at least do the difference. Okay, so I see you on the next one. Bye.